After causing controversy for letting Treasure show the too dangerous choreography, YG quickly apologized. Right from the time of their debut, YG has determined that Treasure is a group that focuses on choreography. Therefore, in the latest comeback with Treasure had to perform difficult choreography. Specifically, the choreography that heard J-Hook make fans both angry and worried, not letting fans have to worry about their idols for too long. At midnight on November the 8th, YG quickly apologized for the incident. Hello, this is YG Entertainment. First, we would like to thank Treasure Makers, Treasure's official fandom, for their love and interest. In order to show their fans a cool dance performance, Treasure practiced their choreography countless times over a long time, and so they were able to film their music video and perform on their first music show without any problems. Starting with their next performance, we will modify the intense choreography that fans are worried about, and Treasure plans to continue promoting actively through the end of the year. Once again, we would like to sincerely thank you for cheering on Treasure with such warm hearts. We will continue to consider the Treasure members' health and safety our top priority, and we will be careful as we prepare for Treasure to return with even better choreography and performances in the future. Thank you. After being assured that the choreography would be changed, the fans were surprised because YG handled it so quickly.